If you're an Apple CarPlay user, you might find when you first launch into your vehicle that whatever audio you're listening to will autoplay, whether that's podcasts, music, things like that. Some manufacturers like Hyundai, Genesis, and Kia give you the flexibility of toggling media off at startup, but it doesn't necessarily work all the time. So what we're going to do is jump into our phone in order to create a script which is going to make sure that CarPlay audio automatically stops when you first connect. What you want to do on your phone is you want to search for the Shortcuts app. When you get there, you're going to go to Automation along the very bottom, and we want to create a new automation. All you want to do here is search for CarPlay. So what's happening here is when we connect to CarPlay, so make sure that is connected is highlighted, we immediately want to run this next step. And the next step that we want to do is play music. But we don't want to play the music, so what we want to do here is you want to wait. This next step, ideally you're waiting 3 seconds, so 2 to 3 seconds should be okay. And after 3 seconds, the next thing that we want to do is search for pause. And you want to make sure that you highlight play pause and change specifically to pause. So what's happening here is when CarPlay connects, it's going to play music automatically. It'll wait 3 seconds and then it'll pause. So what'll happen is when you start your vehicle up, you might hear audio for a brief second and then it's going to pause it from playing. So now every time you start the vehicle up, you can see here, launches in, 1, 2, 3. It automatically is going to pause that audio for us now. And that's the best way for you to be able to actually stop music from automatically playing inside of Apple CarPlay. If you want walkthroughs on different infotainment systems, how to reboot screens, use the key fob for different remote start and tricks and things like that, you'll find a series of different videos on the channel. But that's how you stop music from automatically playing inside of Apple CarPlay.